Good morning, students. Now I am going to explain you about a problem related to limiting reagent. Okay. In the first video I told what is a limiting reagent and what is excess reagent and the rules for finding the limiting reagent and excess reagent. Here the question is given. Balanced equation for the reaction is given below. 2x plus 3y that gives 4l plus m, and when 8 moles of x react with 15 moles of y, then which is the limiting reagent? First question, which is the limiting reagent? Second question, calculate the amount of product formed. And the third question, calculate the amount of excess reactant left at the end of the reaction. Okay, we have to find and the steps involved. You already know what are the steps involved. In the first step, what we have to find, write the number of moles of reactant and product given in the equation. First we have to write the number of moles. Before that you have to divide here the x and y are product reactant and L and M are product. Therefore you have to separate it. X, Y, L and then M. You separate. Okay. Next, in the first step what we have to do, write the number of moles of reactant and product given in the question. Here in the question, number of moles of x given is 8. Number of moles x given is 8. Number of moles y given is 15. Therefore, here number of moles, that is x is how much? 8 and y is 15. 8, 15 and L and M are not given. Therefore, L and M are not given. You have to write dash. Next, in the second step, step 2, what you have to do? Write the stoichiometric coefficient. Here the stoichiometric coefficient given in the problem is 2 and 3. Therefore, for x, here stoichiometric coefficient SC. Therefore, for x 2, therefore you have to write 2 here. And for y 3, therefore you have to write 3. And for L, how much? How much for L? L is 4. L is 4. Therefore, you have to write here 4. And for M, M is 1. Therefore, you write 1. We find the stoichiometric coefficient, and then in step 3 what we have to do? Divide the step 1 by step 2. Number of moles by stoichiometric coefficient. Therefore, you have to divide number of moles by stoichiometric coefficient 1 by 2. What we had in the first step, we get for x 8. 8 by 2, that is equal to 4. Okay. And in the for y 15 by 3, that is equal to 5. You cancel this, you get 5. Okay. Next, here from this we have to, in fourth step, step 4 is the reactant which has the minimum of this ratio is the limiting reagent. Here in this ratio 1 by 2, the 4 is the minimum value, 5 is higher value, 4 is minimum value. Therefore, 4 is the limiting reagent. Therefore, the limiting reagent here is X and the excess reagent here is R. The excess reagent by 1. Therefore, 5 here it is 4. Therefore, the limiting reagent is X and the excess reagent is Y. Therefore, what is the limiting reagent? They are asked. Therefore, the limiting reagent is X. Okay, this is the answer for the first question. Second question, calculate the amount of product formed. For this, we have to find the step 5, mole analysis. Okay, mole analysis. In mole analysis, what we have to write here, number of moles of X by stoichiometric coefficient 2, that is equal to number of moles of Y divided by stoichiometric coefficient here is 3, that is equal to number of moles of L divided by stoichiometric coefficient for L is 4, that is equal to number of moles of M divided by 1. Okay. Here, which one is the limiting reagent? X is the limiting reagent. Therefore, you have to fix this value and find the value for other 3. Therefore, the number of moles of X, what we get, number of moles is given is 8. Therefore, 8 divided by 2, you have to correlate these two first. Okay. Number of moles of X is, okay, you write like this, Nx by 2, that is equal to Ny by 3. Therefore, Nx, what is the value for X? Here the limiting reagent, it's a limiting reagent, we have to fix this value. Therefore, 8 by 2, that is equal to Ny by 3. Therefore, what do you get? 4. Therefore, here 4 into 12, 4 into 3, 12. Therefore, Ny value is 12. Similarly, you have to correlate these two. What is that? Nx by 2, that is equal to Nl by 4. X is, what is X? Number of moles is 8. Therefore, 8 by 2, that is equal to Nl by 4. Therefore, 4. Therefore, Nl is equal to 16. What is Nl? Nl value is 16. Similarly, you have to correlate these two, remaining two. That is Nx by 2, that is equal to Nm by 1. Nx, the fixed one, that is the number of moles is 8. Therefore, 8 by 2, that is equal to Nm by 1. Therefore, we have get Nm, that is equal to 4. Number of moles of M is 4. What is asked? Calculate the amount of product formed. We have to find how much amount of product is formed. How we can find the number of moles, number of products? We have to find the amount of product formed. Okay. Amount of product formed, and also we have to calculate the amount of excess reactant left at the end of the reaction. Okay. Number of moles of product formed. Here product is L and M. L and M. Number of moles, how much? L value is 16 and M value is 4. Therefore, what is given? 16 moles of L plus 4 moles of M. That is the answer. Okay. That is the answer. Next, what we have to find? Calculate the amount of excess reactant left at the end of the reaction. Excess reactant left at the end of the reaction. Okay. Excess reactant is Y. First, the initial value given is 15. What is the value we obtain? How much amount? How much amount? This is the 5 is the since we get the 5 in the ratio, this is the excess reagent. Therefore, number of moles given is 15. And for Y, how many moles we get? 12. Therefore, you have to subtract 15 minus 12, that you get 3 moles. Therefore, 3 moles of Y. 3 moles of Y is the answer for this question. Excess reactant left at the end of the reaction is 3 moles of Y. Y3, here 15 Y you put. Number of moles given for Y is 15 and we get Ny value, number of moles for value Y is 12. Therefore, 15 minus 12, 15 is the total amount. How much amount is reacted? 12 moles is reacted. Therefore, remaining is 3 moles. 3 moles is the excess reactant. Okay. Here, calculate the amount of product formed is, product is, here the product given in the equation L and M. Therefore, L, how much we get? L 16 moles and M 4 moles. Therefore, 16 moles plus 4 moles of M. Okay. Thank you.